Cooking is an essential part of our daily lives, but the tools we use can have a big impact on our experience in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of stoves and focusing on a technology that's been steadily gaining popularity: induction cooking. But first, let's break down the three most common types of stoves: gas, electric, and induction, and see what sets them apart. Let's start with the traditional options: gas and electric stoves. Gas stoves work by burning natural gas or propane, which creates a flame to heat your pots and pans. Despite gas stoves emitting pollutants like CO2 and carbon dioxide, it's a popular choice because it offers precise heat control, but it does come with some downsides. The flame can be uneven, and you have to deal with open fire, which can pose a safety risk. These stoves release gas that irritate human airways and cause or exacerbate respiratory problems. High levels can interfere with the ability of the blood to carry oxygen, causing headache, fatigue, dizziness, and a blue color to the skin and lips. A study from Stanford University found that typical use of a gas or propane stove increases exposure to nitrogen dioxide by an estimated 4 parts per billion, averaged over a year. That's 3/4 of the way to the nitrogen dioxide exposure level that the World Health Organization recognizes as unsafe in outdoor air. That's excluding all outdoor sources combined, so it makes it much more likely you're going to exceed the limit. It's estimated that gas stoves in the US emit 6.8 million tons of CO2 each year, the climate impact of 1.9 million gas-powered cars. Then there's the electric stove. These work by passing electricity through a coil beneath the surface, which heats up and transfers heat to your cookware. While electric stoves are generally safer than gas, they tend to heat up and cool down slowly, making them a bit less precise for cooking. Now let's talk about induction stoves. While they might look similar to electric stoves, they work in a completely different way. Induction cooking uses electromagnetic energy to directly heat your cookware. Instead of heating the stove's surface, induction creates a magnetic field that excites the molecules in the metal of your pot or pan, generating heat instantly and only where it's needed. This means the stove itself stays cool to the touch, and only your cookware gets hot. No wasted heat, no hot surfaces, and best of all, it's incredibly efficient. It's important to note that because induction stoves utilize electromagnetic energy, induction stoves require cast iron, carbon steel, or any pan with a magnetic bottom in order to work. Compared to gas and electric stoves, induction is faster, safer, and more energy efficient. It can bring a pot of water to a boil in nearly half the time it would take with a traditional stove. Plus, the surface stays cool, so you don't have to worry about accidental burns, and it's much easier to clean up after cooking. With gas stoves, cleaning can be a chore. The grates, burners, and knobs all collect spills and food residue, making it tricky to get everything spotless. Electric stoves may look easier, but spills can burn onto the heating coils, leaving stubborn stains that take extra scrubbing to remove. However, induction stoves are different. With its smooth glass top and no open flames or hot spots, spills don't burn on. Simply wipe the surface clean, no elbow grease required. At Newr, we've taken induction technology to the next level. Introducing Chef, our battery-powered portable induction stove that lets you enjoy the benefits of induction cooking anywhere you go. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors, tailgating with friends, or living the van life, Chef gives you the freedom to cook wherever your adventures take you. With Chef, you get the same precision, speed, and safety of a home induction stove, but with the added portability and convenience of being completely wireless. Powered by a rechargeable battery, Chef is the perfect companion for those who want to cook freely, without limitations. Induction cooking has already changed the game for home kitchens, and now we're bringing that innovation to you wherever you are. With Chef, you can cook smart, cook fast, and cook freely. Learn more about Chef and how it can transform your cooking experience at newrcompany.com.